Hello my dear students, I hope you all are in good health. Students, in a previous video we have started the chapter respiration, and in that video we have studied about aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So today we will study some of the major steps in aerobic respiration. So this aerobic respiration, it involves two major steps, that is breathing and cellular respiration. The breathing, it is a physical or a mechanical process in which there is exchange of respiratory gases between air and cells. And cellular respiration, it is a biochemical process. So the two major steps in aerobic respiration are breathing and cellular respiration. So students, we have studied the photosynthesis chapter. In that we have studied that the plants, they prepared their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll by using carbon dioxide from air and water from soil, and the food is synthesized in the form of glucose and oxygen is released. So in the plant, some of this oxygen which was produced by the photosynthesis process is utilized further in the respiration process. So this some amount of oxygen, it will be further utilized to break down glucose into energy and carbon dioxide, and this process we know is known as respiration. Hence the photosynthesis and respiration, both the processes, they are related with one another. So students, now let us see about respiratory organs in plants. In leaves we have studied that the respiratory organs, they are the stomata. We have studied in photosynthesis chapter what is stomata. These are the minute pores that allow for the exchange of gases. So the respiratory organ in leaves are the stomata, and respiratory organ in stem are the lenticels. So young stems, they also have stomata, but in old woody stems there are lenticels present which allow the exchange of gas. So what are these lenticels? These are also the minute pores which are present in old woody stems for the gaseous exchange. However, in roots, there are root hairs which help in respiration process. The root hairs, they will extend into the air spaces between the soil particles. So let us assume this is the root hair and it will extend into the air spaces. There are the air spaces between the soil particles, and from these air spaces the root hairs, they will take oxygen from there. So the respiratory organ in leaves, they are the stomata. In stems, in young stems, the respiratory organs are stomata, and in old woody stems there are lenticels present for respiration process, and in roots the respiratory organ are the root hairs. So students, we all must know the difference between respiration and photosynthesis process. So since we have completed the chapter photosynthesis, as well we are studying the chapter respiration, so it is very much important that we must know the differences between these two processes. So the respiration process, it takes place in all the living cells of the body, but photosynthesis, it take place only in the green parts of the plant. This is the major important difference. Then the respiration, it occurs all the time, but photosynthesis, it occurs only in the presence of sunlight, that is during daytime, but respiration occurs during day and night. Then in respiration, it uses oxygen and releases carbon dioxide, but photosynthesis, as we know that the plants, they use carbon dioxide from air and they will release oxygen. In respiration there is breakdown of glucose, however in photosynthesis there is a synthesis of glucose. And respiration, it takes place in mitochondria and photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast. And in respiration chlorophyll is not needed, but in photosynthesis chlorophyll, which is a green pigment, it is needed. So with this we have completed the respiration chapter also. So students, you all must know the differences between photosynthesis respiration, aerobic and anaerobic respiration, as well as the two major steps which are involved in aerobic respiration, and the equations of photosynthesis process and respiration process. These are important questions. Then you all must know the respiratory organs in plants also. So that's all for today. Take care.